So if you're selling products on Etsy, you know there's quite a bit of competition, and the best way to get eyeballs on your product is to somehow get them on social in front of other people with links back to your store. And if you have to do it manually, it takes basically forever. However, I've got this automation for you, which is super cool and fairly simple, that not only will grab your listings with an RSS feed, but will auto post on various social media platforms. Let me show you how cool it is. Okay, so the goal of this automation is to grab the latest product with an RSS feed from your Etsy store and then basically post it. And in this case, I have it posting on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And I'm also going to use OpenAI to put a little bit of a spin on the description, because if we just take the description out, it takes the title, which is really dry and it's not really grabbing people's attention. It's not stopping the scroll. And actually, it did take me a little bit of time to work this bit out because when I was getting the RSS feed, I was trying to pass it through an HTTP module and then a text parser. But the biggest problem I was having was that I couldn't get the images to post on Instagram. So I did quite a bit of research and I found somebody that has the same kind of type of automation, just a little bit different. And I learned from him how to do this bit here. So full transparency, I did not think of that. I researched and I found somebody who gave me the answer. But let's go through it. So the very first thing is you need to link a Etsy store. I am linking the Etsy store of one of my society members who's giving me permission. And so he sells all kinds of certificates for dog training and for the tattoo industry and GPTs and all sorts of things. So I'm going to link his store. The next thing we are doing, we are going to match the pattern from this RSS feed so we can actually grab the information from the URL down here. And then we are going to get the listing that has come from the text parser. So this was the way to get the listing with the image URL. That was the only way. And then we have an iterator module because as you know, if you've been to Etsy or if you're selling on Etsy, there's usually multiple images in there, but we want just one of those images. So the very first thing we want to do is grab the single URL for the images and separate them. Then we have a router that is actually branching into Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And basically what I have in here is I have a very, very simple prompt, which is create a scroll-stopping, eye-catching post about this listing. And I'm giving it the URL. And it's the same with, so this is for Facebook. For Instagram, I have create a short scroll-stopping, eye-catching Instagram caption about this listing and use emojis and appropriate hashtags. And with 3 to 5 keywords in the copy that my target audience may use for research. And for Pinterest, I do have create a short scroll-stopping, eye-catching Pinterest caption about this listing with 3 to 5 keywords in the copy that my target audience may use for research. So it's very, very basic. But let's play it and you'll see how cool it is. Now, I'm going to use a Pinterest account that I haven't used in 10 years. I'm going to use my own Instagram account, which is an AI account and a Facebook page that I haven't used again in a very long time to post these things. So you'll have to excuse that. But let's play with it. Sorry. Let's start playing with it. Okay, so we've got it parsing through the parser, Etsy, the iterator, and now it's writing. Okay, it's posting on Facebook, and we're gonna go and have a look what's posted. Okay, so I've got these pages here, and it should be on that page. Let's have a look as soon as it loads. I haven't used this page forever. Okay, so there you go. It's an Etsy link. And I do have a cool post. What else do we have? We've done the Instagram post by the looks of it. And let's have a look. I do need to actually, okay, here's the new post for Instagram. Again, I have my own spin on the listing. And the last one would be Pinterest. My God, I haven't used Pinterest since forever. And I will have to find, my board. Let's refresh it. There we go. Again, I have the same listing. So super, super cool. And if you are selling on Etsy, this automation will make your life 100 times easier. And you can have it running daily or a couple of times a week. I would probably run it daily, especially if you have multiple products. And that way you will have organic content that is being posted without you doing anything. And if you want the blueprint and the complete step-by-step tutorial with full instructions, make sure that you check out the AIpreneur Society. I'll put a link to it in the description because you can get so much value there regardless of whether you're growing your business or you're selling AI solutions.